Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this highlighter from the brand Estate, which I love the brand Estate. I've tried out a lot of their products on my channel, and this is the Do Me Baked Highlight Powder that I got in the shade Pearl in my November 2021 Ipsy Glam bag, which of course if you have not seen that unbagging video yet, I'll have that linked in the description down below. But this is full size. It retails for $10. It comes in a bunch of shades. I've tried out some of the other shades on my channel before, but I have not tried out this shade Pearl yet, which I'm so excited about. I just love the packaging of Estate products. And let's see how this shade looks. Before I do, I want to let you know that this is cruelty free and paraben free. And so yes, I'm just gonna start out with a swatch with my finger. Oh my gosh, ooh, I'm so excited. It looks totally white in the packaging here, but just from this swatch here, I'm seeing like some pink to it, which I love a pink highlighter. Ooh, this is beautiful. It just has such a gorgeous texture to it as well that makes the skin look like wet, which I love in a highlighter. It's like that glistening sheen, but it's not glittery, sparkly highlight. This is exactly what I like in my highlighters, and I couldn't help myself. It's just so silky of a formula. I just blended it out all over my hand, and I love how this looks as an all over glowy highlight as well. So, I mean, now it's cold, so I'm not really showing any skin, but this on like the shoulders, the collarbone, I think would be absolutely beautiful. Just glistens the skin. Wow. Okay, I do want to try this out in a couple techniques. First, I'll go in with a dry brush. So this does seem to be pretty pigmented, so it'll be interesting to try it out in a few different techniques. So just picking it up on this fluffy brush, let's see. Oh, I mean, yeah, that immediately gives glow to the skin. It does seem like a light highlight, like it kind of gives that icy glow. So I do feel like this is probably gonna work best on light, fair skin tones. But like I was saying, they do make a bunch of different shades of this. So that's actually really pretty. It's pretty subtle. It's the most undetectable texture, but it definitely brightens the skin. Now, I also want to try this out wet. So I'm going to just spray the brush a bit, just a little setting spray here. Pick up the product, and let's see if this amps it up. Maybe I didn't really pick up any of the product because that did not seem to amp it up. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is so incredibly buildable. You can get the most intense highlight with that. Oh my goodness. It like turned my skin into metal. I mean, that's kind of what it's looking like, right? But here you can really see that true color of the highlight, and it is very, how I say, icy. Like it's light, and I like that. I do lean more towards a little bit more of like a warmer glow than this shade here, but I think it still does work for my skin tone. It's just not the most natural shade for a highlighter, of course. So this, with it applied wet, might be a little too intense for me just because of the shade, but the texture is seriously so beautiful. It doesn't look at all texture, like it just looks like skin. It's not emphasizing the pore texture that I have on my cheeks. It's so pigmented, like wow. But then on the other cheek, I want to try out my go-to technique for a applying highlighters, which is just to pick some up on my finger and then just blend it along the high point of my cheek. And this will be kind of an in-between. It won't be as subtle as with the brush, but it won't be as blinding as with a wet brush. I do feel like I could layer it up a little bit more to see a little bit more glow on this side. And I love that it is buildable. And yeah, I think that's more of like my go-to daily amount of glow. Oh, but then I mean, I love this side too. I guess it just depends on how I'm feeling that day. But since this is light, bright, I want to try it out on the eyes because I feel like this could be a great inner corner highlight to really brighten up that eye area. Oh yeah. It really is. I mean, look at the difference with it versus without it. I love how that brightens the eye. And you don't even have to use too much to get that brightening, lit look to the eyes. And brow highlight, oh yeah. Since it's not like glitter sparkle, I think it's great for this purpose as well. I mean, you could even use it as an eyeshadow. It's such a versatile formula, which I love, and it's only $10. I feel like that's not bad at all for this great quality highlighter. You know, I would love to hear it in the comments down below. What's your favorite technique for applying highlighters? Do you go for the intense, blinding highlighter? Subtle? Do you apply with your finger like I do? There's so many different techniques and preferences, so I'd just be so curious to hear. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.